Hello everyone, welcome to Vina TV today. Or tonight I should say, it is night out there. I got ready today and then I just passed out again because I'm in so much pain. It's Shark Week. Today I'm actually gonna make dinner. That's right, I'm making dinner. So I need to go to Emart and get some groceries. I don't know, something simple. So, let's go. I actually decided to save you guys the boredom of Emart and we're back home now. So, what we're making is mandu soup, dumpling soup, and samgyeopsal. We're just gonna fry up some pork belly. Yeah. So, let's get started. Actually, Sean accidentally threw out the packaging for this, but it's just the soup base that you can get. And you just open it up and you pour it in there. So this is the base already. I'm gonna turn this on. Okay, just gonna add a little bit more water to this. Ooh, okay. This is the brand of dumplings we bought. I'm gonna put 2 of them in there. These are huge. These are gigantic. Hurry up! I'm gonna scramble up 2 eggs and then we're gonna throw them in there at the end. Oh! Shit. Oh my god. I'm professional. Here it is. Just gonna smash her up. Gonna open it up. Open. These are still the 2 from before, so just gonna open them up. Now it's time for samgyeopsal. So, this is our samgyeopsal. Leaving the soup on a low simmer for now, so we're gonna add everything right after the samgyeopsal is done. Seasoning with some salt and pepper. Yum. I'm just gonna put 6 pieces of the dumplings into the soup now. Oh. Now we need to cut up the samgyeopsal. So there's too much oil in here, so Sean's gonna expertly remove it. I feel like if I did this, I would set the place on fire. Yum! Getting that samgyeopsal sauce. Sean's adding salt right now. And pepper. First, you need to put more salt. And then later, if it's too salty, it's okay because when you put the egg in, it'll eat up the salt. So you want it to be a little bit more salty, I guess, according to Chef Sean. At maximum heat, the eggs are going in.
First half.
Okay, first as much as half.
First,
yeah.
Half. Wait.
And then wait. And then when it boils, you put the rest. Okay, great tips. Thank you. So you want to be careful when you mix it up because the dumplings are really soft right now, so we don't want to break these ones up. And it's done! Oh my god, look at that! The final product. Thanks to Sean for telling me what to do and for taking over at the end there. And oh my god, this looks so good. I can't wait to eat it. And we just have our instant rice because we don't have a rice cooker right now. I'm gonna try the Somersby apple sparkling cider today. And Sean's drinking Heineken Dark. He can only find it here. They didn't have it in Canada last time he checked, so he's really excited. Last but not least, dried seaweed. This is also my favorite. I love it so much. Like our soup ladle. Just got it today from Daiso. So cute, Mickey Mouse. Okay, number 10. How many is that? 2? Okay, let's give this a try. Oh my god, so good. It was like the best brand for dumplings, so. For mandu. So good. Oh my god. We're gonna try the meat. Ten out of 10. The crispy piece. I want like a juicy one. You're supposed to like wrap this in rice, but I can't do that. I just eat it like this. Cheers! 건배. Oh, 맛있어. Oh, that's a hot. It tastes like wine. Sean's waiting for the soccer game to come on. Okay guys, thanks for watching today. I'm gonna end the video here. More Candy Crush. I'm gonna rest now while Sean watches his soccer. Tomorrow, we're actually possibly getting a couch. So stay tuned. Also, I'm meeting up with my friend that I haven't seen since she left Canada. No, actually I saw her in the summer when I came here for my wedding. But anyways, we're gonna meet up tomorrow and it's gonna be a great time. So I will see you then. Thank you. Bye-bye. Sean, bye.